All right, guys, you finally made the decision. It all comes down to this one chair, and I need 6, but I don't want to pay for delivery. I want to go to the warehouse, pick this up right now. And when I go home, I open the box, and there's hardware everywhere, screws, all that. How am I going to turn this into this? Stay tuned in this next video. I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, Jimmy Trong here at Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet, Acworth location. I'm going to show you how easy it is to purchase a chair from us. Other than the obvious positive, you are definitely going to save on delivery with this video. I'm going to teach you how to assemble one of these dining chairs. Don't be afraid of what you see here on this table. It's very, very simple. It's got instructions for you to follow through, but you don't need these instructions. You have me now. Can't go wrong with Jimmy Trong. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and follow up with step 1. All right, step 1, obviously, take everything out of the box. I do categorize everything: stretchers, legs. You have the seat rest and the back panel, which is all one. And of course, me being just OCD, I like to just categorize and sort all my screws out so nothing's a mess. First, I like to take the seat and lay it on the back. There you go, just like that. Start putting some screws in. However, do not tighten it yet. Just get it in the hole, give it a couple twists, make sure it's in there. The assembly instructions are gonna have which screw goes into where. Everything is labeled, by the way. So definitely refer to this video or the assembly instructions. So it should just look like that, right there. I do try to make the bottom flush with the seat itself. That helps prevent, wobbly chairs, uneven chairs, and that nature. All right, next up, we got the legs. C and D. Both go right. There you go. All right, ready? We're gonna take the middle-sized screws. Go ahead and anchor it in. Remember, like I said, don't screw them in just yet. Get them in the holes. Like so. Let it hang there. All right, next you got these stretchers. Everything is labeled, so we got F that goes to F. I'm sorry. And there you go. All right, guys, so next I'm going to start tightening the screws. Just so you know, I am using a power drill on a low speed setting. I do recommend you manually tightening them with the Allen wrench provided, just so you avoid stripping the screws. All right, guys, we are down to our last step. We have 4 screws left. We're almost there, guys, look. All right, last step. We're gonna go ahead and put these screws into the stretchers. It's gonna help provide optimal support for the chair. There you go. And here we go. Start screwing. All right, like I said, guys, in just a few steps, just a few minutes, you have yourself a chair and you feel on top of the world because you saved on delivery. Hope this video helped you guys. Again, my name is Jimmy Trong. Can't go wrong. See you guys soon. Thank you.